Hello and welcome. I am so glad you have found your way here. Has life been feeling challenging for you lately? Are you here today to bring a sense of peace and balance back into your present moment? Don't worry. With the help of a few quick and easy practices, we will do just that in the next few minutes. Did you know that your heart sends more signals to your brain than your brain sends to your heart? When you are rushed or stressed, your heart beats faster, signaling unease and anxiety. But the reverse is also true. A calm and slow heartbeat gives you the feeling of relaxation and letting go. And just like that, you can change how you feel right now. Not with your thoughts, but with your heartbeat. This is called heart coherence, the connection between your mind and your body. Now, find a comfortable position. Gently close your eyes. Place a hand over your heart and take a slow, deep breath. Breathe in through your nose and gently out through your mouth. Feel your breath connecting with your heartbeat. Now, bring all of your attention to the space around your heart. Imagine your breath flowing into and out of your heart, as if your heart itself is breathing with you. Continue this gentle, steady rhythm. Now, take a soft, deep breath in through your nose as you silently count to 4. And breathe out slowly and calmly as you silently count to 6. Let us repeat that once more. Breathing in, silently counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. And breathing out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feel how your body softens with a longer exhale. Again, breathing in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And slowly breathing out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With each breath, your heart and brain begin to synchronize, coming into perfect coherence. And one last time, at your own pace, inhaling to a count of 4. And gently letting go to a count of 6. Now, call to mind a moment that fills you with gratitude, love, or appreciation. It could be the smile of a loved one, a moment in nature that made you feel alive, or simply the gratitude for your own beating heart. Breathe this wonderful and soothing feeling into your heart. breathe in appreciation. And breathe out calm. Breathe in love. And breathe out peace. You are now signaling to every cell in your body that it is safe and can relax. As you continue to breathe this way, your heart rhythm becomes calm and steady. This simple pattern activates your vagus nerve. In just a few minutes, you are guiding your entire nervous system to harmonize and unwind. Now imagine your heart glowing with a radiant golden light. With each breath, this light expands, filling your chest, your body, and the space around you. You are surrounded by a field of coherence between your heart and your being. Breathe this energy into your mind, clearing away any stress or noise. Breathe it down into your body, grounding yourself in peace and strength. You are in perfect alignment. Body, mind, and heart. Take one last deep breath through your heart. Exhale slowly and offer yourself a gentle smile. Remember, your heart is more than a pump. It is a field of intelligence, emotion, and intuition. You have just activated the natural power of your heart to restore balance and peace. Repeat this practice daily, even for just a few minutes, and watch how your world begins to change from the inside out. And if this exercise has helped you, feel free to subscribe to this channel for more techniques to reclaim control over your well-being. Thank you for being here. Thank you for giving yourself this time. Take good care, and until next time,